Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your laptop is plugged in, you know the OS version, and drivers are updated. Once done, open Settings or System Preferences and go straight to Power or Battery options. You will change sleep and display timeout values now, so choose a profile that prevents sleep when plugged in. Make sure Adaptive or Automatic Dimming is off. On some systems, that setting is separate under Display. This guarantees the screen can stay on continuously, without interruptions. Once basic power options are set, enable the Always On Display feature if your laptop supports it. On Windows, use lock screen settings, and on Mac OS, use hot corners or third-party apps. If native AOD is absent, install a lightweight utility that prevents idle dimming. Configure the lock screen delay so the screen stays visible before locking. Also, adjust display brightness and ambient light behavior so AOD looks correct. Make sure notifications and privacy settings are appropriate for You finish by restarting the laptop to ensure all changes take effect, and then observe behavior for a short test period. If the display still sleeps, make sure vendor power management apps are not overriding your settings and check for firmware updates. If an app prevents AOD, test in safe mode or create a fresh user profile to isolate the cause. As a last resort, reinstall the third-party utility or reset power plans. These steps usually resolve conflicts and restore a persistent display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.